Hi everyone, in this video training, I'm going to show you how to install the Avada theme in WordPress. Well friends, here I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website, and to install the Avada theme, I need to go to Appearance and click on Themes. And here you can see I have 3 themes, but I need to install a new theme, that is Avada. And here click Add New Theme button, and I'm going to hit this Upload Theme button. Again, here you can see we can select the file. Okay, I'm just going to show you the Avada theme file. Well friends, here I have got the Avada theme zip file. I'm just going to double click on it and it's going to be unzipped, and we have Avada full package folder. Go inside it and here you will see several files, and here goes Avada theme, and here goes Avada theme, and here is the Avada child theme. Okay, I'm just going to drag and drop here, and this file is selected. I'm just going to hit this install now button. The file is uploaded. Now I need to hit this activate button. Just click activate. Okay, fantastic. Welcome to Avada admin. I could successfully install the Avada theme. Now it's our time to register the website. Okay, once you have purchased the Avada theme, go to support and you will have to log in, and at the bottom you will get your purchase key. Okay, I have got my purchase key. I'm going to enter here.